Did you know you can roast garlic in less than half the time using your air fryer? I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is to roast garlic. Now, roasted garlic is so amazing in mashed potatoes and garlic bread and so many other things. So let's get started. I'm going to show you how to make this. All right, so first I'm going to cut off the bottom part of the garlic here. We want to expose all of those cloves. Some people like to cut off the top. It's really up to you. We just need to expose those cloves so that we can get the olive oil on them. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the bottom. All right, so just like that, that's perfect. All right, now I'm just gonna set this to the side. I can use this bit of garlic in my next dish. And I just need a small piece of tin foil, just enough so that I can wrap this whole head of garlic. So I'm just gonna place this right in the center of the foil. And then I'm gonna take about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just gonna drizzle that over the exposed garlic cloves. So this is gonna make it nice and delicious. Drizzle that in. Perfect. Now I just need to wrap this up in the foil. Just nice and securely so that the oil isn't going to fall out in the air fryer. And now we are going to put it in the air fryer at 390 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. So actually my air fryer, the Ninja, it's really fast. Sometimes this is ready in like 15 minutes, but this is a bigger head of garlic, so I am gonna put it in for about 18 minutes, check on it, and see if it needs to go a little bit longer. I'm just going to place this directly into the air fryer. And we're gonna air fry at 390 for 18 minutes to start, and then we're just gonna check on that garlic. I'm taking a little peek here. I can see some browning. That's perfect here. I want to give it another 2 minutes. I do want to put it in for a full 20 minutes because I can see these ones here need just a little more time. So it all depends on your air fryer. You know, some will take up to 35 minutes, but just check on it. You want it golden brown like this, easily pierced with a fork. Basically, it should be spreadable with a butter knife. It's going to be nice and creamy and golden brown, just like this. So keep an eye on it and you'll figure this out with your air fryer. Now, roasting it in the oven does take up to an hour. So you can see this is less than half the time. And look at how beautiful this garlic is. You should be able to just squeeze that right out like that. Isn't that so satisfying? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.